Crafting Essential for Beginners, a journey of creativity. Starting a crafting journey is exciting as it opens up a world full of creativity and personal expression. For beginners, it often starts with exploring local shopping places or browsing through online resources, places where creativity flourishes. Walking through a craft store or scrolling through a marketplace online can reveal not only the vast variety of tools and materials, but also the inspiration needed to bring new ideas to life. By immersing yourself in these spaces, you can get a sense of what's possible, and it helps in creating a strong foundation for your future creative work. When building your toolkit, some basics are essential to have on hand. Markers, for example, are versatile and add a bold touch to any project, allowing you to experiment with colors and textures. Sketchbook becomes your personal space to draft ideas and practice techniques, helping you gain confidence before working on final pieces. Different types of papers also make a big difference in crafting. Textured, glossy, and recycled paper all offer distinct finishes, making your artwork unique and tailored to each project. Crafting sustainably is another important consideration as it contributes to the health of our planet while also sparking innovative ideas. Upcycling everyday items into something entirely new and beautiful brings a unique element to your crafts. It's about breathing new life into old material, and it demonstrates a mindful approach that makes each creation even more meaningful. For example, transforming an old bottle into a decorative vase with some paint and small embellishment is not only rewarding but eco-friendly too. This is where the creative magic of crafting truly shines, turning the ordinary into something extraordinary. Crafting in this way gives you the satisfaction of knowing that you are contributing to a sustainable future while also challenging your creativity.